Hello beautiful friends and family, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mwoki Frida. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends on your social networks. Today guys, I bring you baked chicken recipe. So come with me to my kitchen and let's make this recipe together. I have a full chicken which I've cut into 2 equal parts. I'm going to start with drying the chicken. As you can see, this is to remove the excess water from the chicken. So we pat dry the chicken. Until it is dry. Now the next step you're going to do to our chicken is that you're going to take all these spices. I'm going to link what I'm using in the description box, so don't forget to check. So the next step I'm going to do, I'll take all my spices and mix them together. So when you're making this type of chicken, try to be generous with the spices. I'll mix them up, and I had forgotten salt. It is okay to do mistake when you are cooking. So I'll add up my salt mix together, and then I'll start coating my chicken using this spice mix. And again, you need to be generous when coating the chicken. Put a lot of spices on each. This guys, it will help the chicken to marinate well. The chicken will be having enough marinade on them. You turn on the other side and you continue with the same process. Make sure you put those spices in every part of that chicken. Turn and continue applying that spice mix. Just making sure no marinade which is going into our waste. So you use, I'm going to use everything. Now from here, I'm going to take my chicken pieces, place them on my tray. Then I will take all these my spices which have been left here, pour it over my chicken. I'm going to add olive oil. You can add any oil of your choice. And rub it inside like this. Remember the measurements of the oil I've used and the rest and the spices. I'm going to link them in the description box. So if you want to make my type of chicken, kindly remember to check in the description box. You rub everything inside. Just make sure that the chicken is fully coated with the spices and the olive oil, or the oil you're going to choose to use. And this is going to enhance the taste of the chicken. The chicken is going to be very, very flavorful, guys. And it's always advisable not to remove the skin of the chicken whenever you want to make this type of baked chicken. So even if you don't want to eat the skin of the chicken, you can always remove it later when you're done. Then put it in the oven Then I'm going to bake this chicken for 1 hour in a temperature of 180 degrees for the first 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, we are going to remove the chicken and baste it. Basting is introducing these chicken juices back to the chicken so that it can be moist. So this basting is very important because remember, we want our chicken to be tasty and juicy. So after this, you're going to put back the chicken in the oven and lower the temperature to 160 degrees, then cook for the remaining 30 minutes. So now our chicken is ready. Look at this, smelling very, very, very nice. Cannot wait to munch on it. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I love food and I love to eat so much. I cannot wait. This is so nice. So we're going to cut our chicken. Look, it's so juicy and very tender. Wow, look at this bone. The bone is already falling off the meat. Look at this. It will easily come out of the meat. Look, the meat is falling apart. The chicken is well cooked, and I can tell you it tastes very, very, very amazing. So this baked chicken, you can serve it with anything you want, but mine, I've decided to serve it with a little bit of salad and ugali. And look at that. Wow, I'm telling you, this looks so appetizing. So family, we are almost Christmas time, so this recipe, you can use it to make Christmas lunch or dinner. So have some fun when making that baked chicken. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support. I hope you have learned something and you're going to try this amazing recipe. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. Like and share my video with your friends on your social media networks. So until next time, bye bye.